I was at a coffee shop when I met Mr. Lewis, a retired jazz musician with salt and pepper dreadlocks, a smooth voice like a saxophone, and a presence so laid back he could make rush hour feel like Sunday morning. He watched me staring at my phone, deep in thought, and said, "You're thinking too hard." I laughed. "How do you know?" He sipped his coffee. "'Cause I used to be just like you, always thinking, overfeeling, analyzing every note like it had to be perfect. Until one day, a mentor told me, maybe just let it go." That hit me. We hold on to thoughts, emotions, and what ifs like we can control them. But what if we just didn't? Overthinking doesn't solve problems. Overfeeling doesn't heal wounds. Sometimes, the art of life is in the letting go. Just let it go. Peace comes not from control, but from surrender. What are you holding on to that's holding you back? The next time you catch yourself overthinking, whisper, "Just let it go," and release the thought. Drop in the comments if you're ready to let go. Don't forget to like and share. You don't have to carry what isn't yours. Release it. It's time to work on your purpose.